In a lively village nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows, there lived a brave young boy named Oliver. Oliver had a heart as courageous as a lion's roar, and his days were filled with endless curiosity and playful laughter. One day, as he wandered near the edge of the village, he discovered a peculiar sight, a tiny lion cub, lost and scared. The lion cub, with golden fur and the biggest, most innocent eyes, looked up at Oliver with a mix of fear and curiosity. Oliver's compassionate heart swelled, and without a second thought, he scooped up the cub in his arms. "I'll call you Leo," Oliver declared, stroking the soft mane on the cub's head. From that moment on, Oliver and Leo became the best of friends. They played hide and seek in the meadows, raced through the village streets, and shared secrets under the ancient oak tree. As Leo grew, so did his bravery and loyalty to Oliver. The villagers marveled at the unusual pair, but they soon realized that Oliver and Leo shared a bond that was unbreakable. The two friends were inseparable, and their adventures were the talk of the town. One sunny afternoon, a mischievous band of pirates sailed into the village, causing a commotion and spreading fear. Oliver knew he had to do something to protect his home. With Leo by his side, they hatched a clever plan to outsmart the pirates. Leo's lion-hearted courage shone as he roared loudly, startling the pirates and sending them fleeing in panic. The villagers cheered, grateful for Oliver and Leo's bravery. From that day on, Oliver and Leo were hailed as the heroes of the village. As the sun set behind the hills, Oliver and Leo sat side by side, gazing at the twinkling stars. The villagers, filled with gratitude, joined them in a celebration of friendship and courage. And so, in the heart of the lively village, the story of a young boy and his lion friend became a legend, teaching everyone that courage and love can overcome even the fiercest challenges.